If you're experiencing sync issues on TenantCloud, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or switching to a different network. Step 2. Refresh the application. Close the TenantCloud application completely and reopen it. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the sync issues. Step 3. Update the application. Make sure you are using the latest version of TenantCloud. Check for updates in your App Store and install any available updates, as newer versions often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Review sync settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to TenantCloud support for assistance. Provide them with details about the sync issue, including any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve sync issues on TenantCloud effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.